Jazz and blues will be filling the streets of historic downtown Berlin this weekend. Along with that, you will smell the delicious barbecue that usually fills the air in some famous blues and barbecue joints in the Big Easy.
Or, in this case, the DelmarvaLife Kitchens. That's where we are with John Lane. He is the owner of the Globe in Berlin. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Lisa. Happy to be here.
Oh, yeah, and we are so excited about what you're making because it smells delicious. What is it?
So this is our RIBWICH sandwich. It's a pretty simple sandwich. We use Crack of Dawn. It's our local bakery in Berlin.
Oh, okay.
So we have some of their hoagie rolls. I'm going to have you whipping up our homemade barbecue sauce.
Homemade barbecue sauce,
You want to start adding everything to the pan.
you got
get this turned on.
Yeah, get that on there because we want it to heat up. All right, so what do we have here?
So we have ketchup.
Okay, so just all of everything?
Yes.
It's already measured out? All right.
I believe you add those quantities on your website.
Yep,
So
okay.
we also have brown sugar.
Brown sugar. All right.
There's some yellow mustard.
Yellow mustard. Oh. See if it,
Oh my gosh.
oh, okay, well, you know, you get some on the
That's
floor, why not?
I'm the chef and you're on TV.
Okay.
We have some Worcestershire,
Worcestershire. That's easy, that comes out easy.
salt and pepper.
Salt, all of this?
Yes.
Okay, boom. This is really hard.
It's easy when it's measured out
What's
for
this?
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce, oh. Okay.
And apple cider vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Interesting, okay.
All right, so you just need me to whisk
Give
this
that
up?
a stir. We'll bring it up to a boil and then we'll cut the heat off.
Okay.
And then
All right.
over here we have our ribs.
Okay.
These are smoked in-house for about 2 hours. Then we wrap them and it goes for another 3 hours.
That
Wow.
looks
So
amazing.
they're super tender, delicious. It's a simple sandwich, but we put a lot of care and effort into it. I'm gonna have you pull out 4 bones
All
for our
right.
sandwich.
This is, yeah, this is the way it's supposed to be. Fall right off the bone, right? How do you not eat this while you're making it? That's what I always have that problem.
Usually, I'll save the end pieces for myself because they're not as pretty for the plate.
They're not as pretty, but they're even more delicious, aren't they? That's where the flavor lives.
I know. I know
Get 4 there. There
a
you
dog
go.
who would love those.
I'm gonna grab a knife. I'll do this
Okay.
part for you. But so we have 2 ribs per section on here. We're gonna gently set them in the pan. Take these gloves off now.
They look like they just fall apart if you pick them up.
They do, but we're gonna crisp them up under a broiler. So it'll get a nice char on the edges,
Okay.
be nice and tender on the inside.
Is that barbecue
This
sauce?
is our homemade barbecue that you got going.
Oh, okay.
Through the magic of television, we already have some done. And I'm gonna pop this under the broiler for just
I'm
about
gonna pick up my mustard.
2 minutes.
Oh. So you put it under the broiler for what reason? To make it crispy?
To make it crispy on the edges, just reheat it. These have been cooked and cooled off already. So I'll throw some more gloves on real quick.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem. And I see you have pickles and onions. That's very.
Yes.
They all come with the same. I mean, do people ask for more?
If you want to ask for more, we will gladly do that for
Yeah.
you. But this sandwich was actually based off of the McRib from
Oh,
McDonald's.
okay.
So
How about that?
just with higher quality ingredients,
I
and
gotcha.
all made from scratch.
I
So we have
gotcha.
our Crack of Dawn hoagie roll here.
Okay.
Our onions, we run through a mandolin, so they're shaved thin. We soak them in water. It kind of takes away some of the harshness of a raw onion, and it makes them
interesting.
really crispy because we keep them cold in the fridge. So we'll just take a
I never knew that.
little handful of
I've
our
never heard of that either.
little tricks of the trade.
Yeah.
Shake off some of that water. I'm going to spread this out on the bun.
See, that's why they call you chef. Because you know these things, right?
These are some pickles. Again, we're going
And
to
are
just
those your typical dill pickles or sweet
dill
pickles?
pickles is what we use, yes. And spread them out evenly so some full coverage. You get a little bit of everything in every bite.
Nice.
All right. And should I take this up, turn the heat off of this one?
It's
starting to
come
boil?
up to a bubble. Yes,
Okay,
you
yeah.
can cut the heat on that.
All right. Well, the good news is you have one already done for us.
Yes.
So that's what we're going to taste so we don't have the boiling sauce.
That's a smart idea.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
Steve,
Oh my.
I give you the honors.
I thought this
There's a
moment would
toothpick
never
in
come.
there too. So
Oh, okay. Watch out for the
careful
toothpick.
about that.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That looks delicious. Where am I going? There you go.
Yep. Yeah? I gotta try it. I gotta try it.
Oh, wow.
That's
my
the
goodness.
reaction we're going for.
Yep.
That
got
is
it.
delicious. John, thank you so much. The Globe, historic downtown Berlin, and of course the jazz, blues, wine, and brews. You guys are going to be cooking up for that too. So
Yes, we'll be open 11 in the morning till probably about midnight that night. We have a live band going on. So as soon as the events are done on the street, we'll have music going on our stage as well.
sounds like a good time in Berlin this weekend. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having
You
me.
can take another bite.
I do. I
I'm
want
going to
it
toss
looks
it
like
to a
it.
break. We'll be right back.